ALC Hosting Networks, your hosting and cloud partner.
Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to point your domain name servers to ALC Hosting Cloud CDN. This will help you improve your website's performance and speed. So let's get started. Click on Login to Customer Portal. Once you're in the portal, click on CDN Inactive or CDN in the menu bar. Click on Get Started and then navigate to the Settings tab. Click on Activation and you'll see the name servers of ALC Cloud. Copy these name servers and head over to your domain registrar. Add the ALC Cloud name servers to your domain's name server settings. Now you just need to wait for the DNS propagation, which can take up to 24 to 48 hours. If you don't want to use ALC Cloud DNS, you can still use our CDN by pointing your domain using a records or CNAME. For a records, point your domain to the IP address 10437.183.1. Or if you prefer to use a CNAME, point it to yourdomain.cdn.alchostserver.com. And that's it. You've successfully pointed your domain to ALC Hosting Cloud CDN. Remember, if you need any further assistance, you can always visit support.alchosting.net for more support tutorials. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful videos.